Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art with me, Florentino. For today's video, it's another Ninja Turtle drawing, but this time featuring Master Splinter. And with my previous video, I drew Michelangelo. And like I mentioned in my other video, this is going to be consecutive Ninja Turtle videos from my tiny sketchbook. But before we begin, hit that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment. Let's get to it. So my second character from the Ninja Turtles series was Master Splinter, the giant rat with the cool looking staff, type of a stick that he has, and his burgundy robe, and these bandages wrapped around his feet. He looks really cool. And he's such an iconic character, and one of the staples in the Ninja Turtle series and the video games as well. And again, I started off by drawing with pencil to make sure I have a great underdrawing, and then I finished it off with cheap ballpoint pens in black. So I'm going to leave you guys with this time-lapse video, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. See you later. Bye-bye.